because now afternoon school !aiyo! so jam Pandan Meva. Now I go to another area. Hopefully okay lah. Traffic. Terrible the traffic here. !aiyo! I go petrol station center lah. Later we see how lah.